Hi there everyone, I have a small Target haul for you. Some are Target dollar spot and a few are Target, just the regular section for the Target. This is the selfie stick. We went to this big Dollar Tree, and you know how the Dollar Tree sells the selfie sticks, but I don't think they're carrying them now. Perhaps they're gonna come back around maybe when spring is really here, or summertime when there's vacation season, when people are really more into taking pictures, I believe. So but anyway, we got this. It's Vivitar selfie stick. It has 42 inches in extension, and it's good for all types of phones. It says here, compact size, great for travel. Smartphone cradle, folds down when not in use. Built-in shutter release for one-hearted operation. So it also has, a shutter, this one that plugs into your camera so that you can take photos and, while pressing this button here. And this is only $5. I would have just purchased the one because the one at Dollar Tree is really very good quality, and I could have purchased 5 pieces instead of one. But let me see, maybe this is more durable. Also from Target Dollar Spot, I got this fashion case for my iPhone 7, and I like this because it has confettis. See this? So cute. My cover right now is a unicorn that I got from Daiso, and from time to time I do switch. So around springtime, this is going to be my iPhone case. It has this gel confetti. I also got this power pack 2600 mAh, and this is like a power bank, and it's only for $5. This one as well is $5. This one is $5 as well. There's actually a phone cover, an iPhone cover in this design. Originally that's what I grabbed, but when we went behind the counter or the shelf, that's when I found this one, and I think I like this better than this floral one for my cover. I also got this one for $5. It's an activity action tracker by Vivitar. And this one seems to be in the same line as that power bank because of the design here. And this is just for $3. It's a small wallet. I like that it has some glitters on it, and it's rose gold, but it's pink inside. So you can put some cash here, maybe some credit cards, and maybe your driver's license. And I'm thinking of creating something with this one. This one is for my daughter, and for her to put her cards and some cash. She doesn't want to carry big wallets. So yeah, this is also $3 in the same line as well. And it has a to and from, probably as a gift. It was meant to be a gift. And the last piece from the Target Dollar Spot is this stickers for $1. And this is something where you will, I think it's more for kids, but I like adding them to my planners. So it says here, wow, super, there's different animals here, and an owl, and emojis. I think they're just repeated in all pages. I don't know how many they have here. Let me see. They didn't say, but I would bet you there's a lot of them here. And that's the design, just $1. I've noticed in Target Dollar Spot, there's not a whole lot of dollar anymore, but they still sell those small kind of like pedestal cake stand that's very small, that's for $1. But I have them already. The cake stands, there's like $3 a piece, and for the plastic ones and for the metal ones, like $5 a piece, and they're pretty small. Maybe you can fit a 6-inch or an 8-inch round cake, and it's really a good price, to be honest, even for $3 and $5. So the other couple of items that I purchase, I do purchase a lot my bins and baskets from the Dollar Tree, but this color I gotta have. This is for $5.99. They have them in different sizes. I think they started around $3.99, then $5.99 for the medium one. And then there's this large one that you can probably use as a hamper for clothes. That's $7.99. I'm actually thinking of getting that big one as well. Because what they don't sell at the Dollar Tree is a huge hamper. They do have a hamper that's basket, but it's a little flimsy for me. I like it still covering some of the clothing instead of them being so exposed. So yeah, got that. Oh, forgot to mention, these two items here are from Target Dollar Spot as well, $3 each. And I figured I can use them for our refrigerator, organizing some of our food stuff, maybe in the freezer area. So I got two of them. Sorry if you cannot see because the background is very light, but here it's made of plastic, heavy duty plastic. So I think for $3 that's still a good price. And I got this item here. Haven't been to Target section and I found this one. I've been looking at something similar from Amazon and I got this for $29.99. This is the last piece, and the color scheme of our home is in the same color scheme, so I'm thinking of using this for a room that I'm decorating or revamping with my daughter, and it's kind of like a makeup beauty room or dressing room. And this one is called Divine Color Prints and Patterns, and it's a peel and stick removable wall and surface covering. So yeah, and the measurement on this one is 20 inches by 20 inches by 16.5 feet, which is equivalent to 27.5 square feet. So it covers quite a bit, but for smaller application, I think the value is right. Now, if you're putting it on walls, of course, it's going to be a little expensive. But what I like about this is it's a peel and stick and it's removable. So advice for you, if you're a renter, if you want to make your room beautiful and you're not allowed to paint, what you can do is use the removable prints and then just put them anywhere you want. Of course, if you want to put them all over your apartment, it's probably going to be expensive. It's not cost effective because, you know, you're going to be covering all the walls. But if you will just choose one focal point or focal wall and then just maybe put 1 or 2 rolls, I mean for $60, I think that's a good thing to kind of add a pop of color or make your apartment more stylish than just a regular apartment that you cannot color or paint. Okay, so that's it for my Target haul. Thanks a lot again for joining me here on my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Welcome to my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers. Thanks a lot for always supporting me here on my channel, and I love you all. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye!